welcome to Police 108 Talk. I'm Joel. We're here at the workbench. As you can see, I've got my Scorpion Evo 3 sitting here. Had a split ring in here and a single point sling, and I'm just not a big proponent of single point sling, so I started doing some research on a different way I could mount a sling. So I stumbled up on Parker mounting machine. So I've got a QD attachment that goes here and one that mounts back here. So we're going to do a little quick installation video on it for you. First thing you do is you take a 4mm. I've already started this screw out, just so you guys wouldn't have to sit there and watch me play with it for a long period of time, which looks like you may have to anyway. Thought I had it worked out a little further than that, so here it is. The Parker mounting one that's going to mount here comes with a slightly longer screw, and per the instructions you need to take the longer one without the QD attachment on it. You need to run it all the way through here till it's flush, because unbeknownst to me there's some brass inserts in here, and the reason they have you do that is to clean out any debris that may be in the brass threads. So once you've taken your longer screw and run it through from the non-ejection port side, because when I pulled it back out there was quite a bit of debris I had to clean off of the screw threads. So once you've done that, then you go back to the ejection port side and you start the screw through. And then what I did, or what they recommend, is that you use some 242 thread locker. It actually comes with a little teeny cool one, but I already had a tube open, so I'm going to take my thread locker and I'm just going to put a good dab inside the hole. And then as I get this a little closer towards the end, I'm going to have to turn it the rifle up. So then your QD attachment goes into this hole. And then from the other side, you're going to use your 4mm Allen wrench that is supplied. And then you're going to tighten down. Okay. So there's the front sling swivel mount. So that's that one. Then I also ordered one for up here. Cool little design the way they did it. As you can see, the way this is bevel cut, so it just slides through the hole where you already had a, if you're like me, I had the split ring with a sling swivel running through it. And then this other little piece that you can see how it's bevel cut so that it fits into this swell and the plastic. So all you do with this is put some thread lock on that, fit that in, and then I believe this is a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench. And this one's going to be a little bit of a booger. As you can see, it's a little challenging to get to. And I don't seem to be having much luck. So just bear with me. A little challenging doing it and trying keeping it somewhat at an angle where you can see what's transpiring here. But you can see as I fight with it how nicely it fits into the contours of the plastic.
Give me a pause.
Hey, back we had to change out, get a little more specialized Allen wrench, because that particular one was, the angles it presented were just like nearly impossible. You saw me fighting with the Allen wrench, so got a little bit better one here, so we're just going to go ahead and snug it down, and once that thread lock seats up, we should be in good shape with it. These are, as I told you earlier, these are Parker Mountain Machine swivel attachment points for the CZ Scorpion. I want to say the front one was $22, I believe. Rear one was $25. So we've got our sling sitting right here, so let's just see what we got. Yep, and I did get the one that allowed full swivel. So there we go. I now have a way to attach a sling to the Scorpion. Guys, check out Parker Mountain Machine if you're looking for some swivel mounts for your Scorpion. There's plenty others out there that meant like disassembling, taking the handguard off, removing this piece, and to be honest with you, I didn't want to get quite that extreme. So if you're looking for a quick, simple, really good looking way to attach a sling to your Scorpion, check out Parker Mountain Machine. Be sure to give us a like or subscribe, and be safe.